every single time, what we're providing the homeowner is just a peace of mind. What are you going to look at for the future of your home? Things that they have adjusted in the past, how is that going to affect the home in the future? Things that are there now on the flips and that kind of thing, how is that going to affect the future of the home? But it's more of just a peace of mind. You're basically creating a Bible of their home in that day and giving them something to kind of go on in the future. Showing them these even small maintenance items, sealant, a tube of caulk at Home Depot costs $5–10, and that $5–10 fix could be $2–3,000 fix down the road when they go to replace their windows. Realize they have to reframe that whole area. It's just a peace of mind is mainly what I like to provide.